Wow. We are still live at the Ojota Park where there's confusion in the air at the moment. Serious confusion in the air. What started as a mere press conference, a press briefing by the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Akim Odumosu, metamorphosed into a rally, and the protesters were singing, chanting, jumping, showing their flyers and their banners, and it was a really heavy protest for well over 15-20 minutes. Suddenly, unexpectedly, suddenly I felt hot water on my body. I don't even know if it was water alone or probably a mix of several other things. I have no idea. And there was confusion where I was, and because I was right in the middle of the protesters. And while that confusion was going on, protesters were fighting for safety. They were scampering for safety. And before we could say Jack Robinson, there was serious confusion. And many of them have been arrested. I can confirm to you that protesters here at Ojota have been arrested. Many of them have been taken away. The crowd have been dispersed. The police, you can see them in their full element now on the streets of Lagos here in Ojota. You can see the show of force in front of me, about 30, if not more than that, are on the move. Right in front of me there, you can see vans moving. I guess they are moving in the direction of the protesters. I guess that is where they are headed. And that is the situation of things here at Ojota. The rally, the group, let me not say the rally is over, because the group has been dispersed. We don't know where those who came to protest are headed, because they are being chased. You can see that they are being chased by policemen. Let me see if I have a few sprints here in my leg. They are being chased. The protesters are being chased by members of the Nigerian police. You can see this young man here has just been questioned by a police officer. He has been left alone, but several others have been questioned. People have been picked and thrown. Police officers are fully in control here. The crowd is nowhere to be seen. The protesters have gone into hiding. Some of them have been arrested. They've been whisked away. They've been thrown into vans. Their materials have been collected from them. You can see this protester still giving one of his flyers to that bus driver. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the situation of things here in Ojota. The rally didn't begin at 9, and neither did it begin at 10. The Commissioner of Police, Mr. Akim Odumosu, came around and left and came back while he was addressing the press. Protesters jumped on the scene from nowhere unexpectedly and took over. And after what looked like a show, which went on for about 20 minutes or more. The police dispersed them with water, with tear gas. It looks like we have a small crowd here now. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Traditional protesters are here for the Yoruba nation. The protest is still very much ongoing. The protest is still very much ongoing. It looks like a roller coaster here at Ojota, and we have new sets of protesters. protest is very much on now, led by white cap wearing chiefs. The crowd is back, ladies and gentlemen. I guess the presence of the white-wearing individuals, male and female alike, has brought back the presence of the crowd. Bro.
But let us cooperate together to make this a successful rally. Please, we don't have anything against the police. The police. Just recognize that when we be there, everyone is there, guys, everyone is over. I got to all of them. Please understand that we are partners in progress, and we are here to make sure that we have a fantastic.
You identify yourself. Identify yourself, sir.
What's your name, sir? Tell your officers.
Your name, sir?
What's your name? Akiola. And we are here not to fight you, but to express ourselves. That is all. Don't shoot any tear gas. Don't shoot any gun. There's a letter to the idea. Who is in charge here? Nobody has come up to say he's in charge. So what we are saying is that all those who want to do the rally, they will move to that street so that the traffic will not be obstructed. They will move to that street and do the rally there so that the road will be free. That's what we are. Okay, gentlemen.
Wow. Hey, wait. Hey, carry me. Wait. Wow. Go, go, get to.
I got to come back. I want to do stand on here. Bro, I want to carry one of my person. Get back.
Make I drop. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, it's real chaos now. Serious chaos now. I thought why the man on white cap was addressing the police? Why the man on white cap was addressing the police? You can see them, men of the Nigerian police force. These are gunshots. These are gunshots. These are beyond mere tear gas. Ladies and gentlemen, these are obviously gunshots. These are gunshots. I think the tear gas this time was stronger than what was used before, because myself, I could barely see. I could barely see a thing. And you can see here the gunshots. These are gunshots. Tear gas, gunshots. Nobody is down at the moment. I can't see blood.
Look at Nigeria.
So we're still live at Ojota, and there's still this protester with his cardboard. He has been dancing around. Madam, can I talk to you, sir? What do you have to say, sir? Were you tear gas? What happened to you in the last 3-4 minutes?
We were tear gas by the members of Nigerian police force that were supposed to get. Language. Okay, Macha Bulubani, Macha Goku, Macha. All the enemies of this global nation, they will die untimely death. Look at, this is what Fela said many years back. They have started again. They are regular tradesmen. They are getting others are here protesting peacefully. They are here. They are gassing us. By the time we go and come back, they will know we stand us.
Yes.
But there is what we call attitude. Apology to whoever that does not understand the language. By the time you point gun at anybody, it will come from the bottom. And if you ever have it,
Ojota is a mess at the moment. Ojota is a mess at the moment.
They keep shooting at us. One good victor, you are beating a child and you said they should not fly. Nobody shall not go to nobody shall not go.